Well, Rob Paxman is the CEO and founder of a new charity called Talking to Minds, which aims to help with the treatment of post-traumatic stress. He's a former SAS soldier and he joins us now from our Bristol newsroom. Welcome. Thanks very much indeed for taking the time to speak to us. Did you suffer the effects of post-traumatic stress syndrome yourself?
Yes, I did, yes.
And just tell us a bit about that and how it affected your life.
Well, basically I lost my first marriage through the illness and completely fell apart over a period of time. Although for a number of years I was still working as a security consultant in different countries.
And what help was offered to you when you came back and found that you were having problems?
Well, I went through the classic forms of treatment and one or two charities. And basically what was offered wasn't effective in treating my symptomology, and we're finding the same with quite a lot of guys that are coming to us now that are not being helped by the classic type therapies. So
tell us about what you're doing and how it's different.
Well, what we're doing is totally different. It's a totally different approach to those systems that are currently in operation. To put it in a nutshell, the systems that are currently available look outside of the person for the answer. So they're extrospective. We're introspective. So we're looking inside the client for the answer. So they actually answer the questions themselves. And
how effective is it proving to be, would you say?
Incredibly effective.
Just give us an example of what kind of evidence you have.
Well, because we're results focused, we're statistically analysed and externally validated. We're working on 100%, because anything less than 100% just isn't good enough.
And how new is post-traumatic stress disorder as a problem? I mean, there's always have been wars throughout history. How new is it?
Well, certainly from Roman times, when PTSD was first documented. They used to bring the guys from the battlefield and have the shaman actually sit them down around fires with vast copious amounts of alcohol and get rid of their demons for them.
And World Mental Health Day today, of course. How important would you say days like today are in raising awareness of things like post-traumatic stress disorder?
Well, incredibly important. I think it's very important. Everybody should be aware that anybody can suffer from a stress-related disorder, and severe stress-related disorders are very common, and they always have been.
And of course, the nature of post-traumatic stress disorder, it's more prevalent in men. Do you find that it's more difficult to help men with mental health issues? Well,
certainly from our perspective, no. We're running guys through our, clients through our system, which is, as I say, incredibly effective compared to the classic forms of treatment.
OK, Rob Paxman, very interesting to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
And just to let you know that viewers in the West and the South of England can see Rob's charity in action this Monday evening in a special report for the first of a new series of Inside Out. That's at 7:30 this Monday evening, and that's broadcast on BBC One.